Hi, in this video, I will drill through the conditional formatting. I will take more options related to conditional formatting. So see here is conditional formatting I have applied. So I just want to remove the conditional formatting. So you have to go to home, go to conditional formatting and go to clear rule. And you have two options. So I want to clear the rule from entire sheet. So clicked on this, entire sheet's conditional formatting is removed. So now I'll let you know about how we can highlight only those values which is, see here, top 10 item. Top 10 items means you have to highlight only those value which is top 10 item. So here you can increase and decrease the highlighted value. So here I have highlighted only 5 value. Click on OK. Now you can see here 5 value in this data sets highlighted. So you have to click on this color. So see here 5 values are highlighted. Okay. So now I just want to take another options. Another options means, so here you have to go to conditional formatting and top 10%. Top 10% means what? Suppose you have total 50 value. So as of now, 54 values are available into this range. So top 10% will be 6 value. Okay. Approximately 5 value or 5 to 6 value. Okay. So if we have 100 of value, so see here, I have 100 of value 1 to 100. So if I want to highlight here top and bottom, so see here, I want to highlight top 10 item. So top 10 item means 91 to 100 is highlighted. If I want to decrease the value, so top 5 want to highlight, so your highlight value is 96 to 100. Okay. If you want to increase the 10 to 12, so 12 13 value, you can see here it's increasing. So you have option how many value you want to highlight and what color you want to take here. So now this is the top 10 item, but if you want to highlight top 10%, top 10% will be same value. So see here, I'm taking top 10% will be same value. But if we have 200 value, so your value count will be increased. So see here, I'm taking 200 value. Okay. So here I'm taking top 200, 200 value I'm taking. Okay. So first I'm taking top 200 value. So here is 200 value. I want to take here top 10%. In top 10%, 20 value will be covered. Okay. In 200 items, 20 value will be covered as a top 10%. See here, I'm taking top 10%. See here, 20 value is 181 to 200. Okay. So if I talk about the 5%, 5% value will be 10 value. Okay. So try to understand this part. So here, if I want to highlight bottom 10%, bottom 10% it means here I'm taking bottom 10%. Bottom 10% means 1 to 20. So see here, 1 to 20 value is highlighted. Okay. So now I'm just removing the conditional formatting. So Alt H L and press C S. Okay. Now here I need to highlight only those value which is uh, more than average value. What is my average value? Let's see. Here I'm taking average value. My average value is 100.5. So more than 105 value will be highlighted. 100.5 value will be highlighted. So here I'm taking more than 100. So here you need to go to above average. So above average means more than 100 value is highlighted. So more than 100. So see here, I'm taking more than 100 value is highlighted. Now moving on, next option. Next option is I want to highlight only those values. First, I'm just removing the conditional formatting. Done. Now you have to highlight only those values which is bottom 10 item. Bottom 10 item means 1 to 10. Okay. So see here 1 to 10 is highlighted. Okay. So these are options. Next option, let me check. Next option is below average. Below average means 100.5 below this value you will get highlighted. So here I'm taking this one, and if you want to take another color, click on custom formatting. Here I want to take green color, click on OK, click on OK. So now first 100 value is highlighted. Okay, so these are conditional formatting. I will cover next part is data bar, color scale and icon set. So that's all for this video.